Good morning, everyone. This is Soumya Bhattacharya, Careers in HR Editor at the Economic Times. A very warm welcome to all of you to the ET HR World's Future Skills Virtual Conference today. The coronavirus pandemic has pressured nearly every corner of the global economy and is reshaping the world in every way we know it. The social distancing mandate has acted as a catalyst for digital transformation and it is driving digital adoption. It has shifted the way we work, meet, and collaborate. It has, in a way, accelerated adapting to the future. And the importance of understanding future skills has never been as significant as it is now. This is because with every disruption this pandemic has brought in, organizations have been jolted into thinking the new ways of dealing with the new normal. And the new normal needs new skills, some of which are still in the process of getting defined. Today, no talk of disruption is complete without talking about disruption in the context of future skills. At the Future Skills Conference, some of the brightest minds over the course of the day will discuss the new skill paradigm at the workplace and beyond. Now, there's always been this dichotomy in the Indian job market. On one hand, India's unemployment rate is high, and on the other, as we know, businesses often struggle to find skilled talent, the right fit talent. Unemployability is often cited as being a bigger problem than unemployment. And this skill gap exists across sectors, across industries. Plus, now there is the challenge of reimagining future skills. With the COVID-19 pandemic causing widespread disruptions, it has become even harder to make any modelable prediction of what these future skills will be. Having said that, understanding these future skills and preparing for them remains critical for organizations. More so with the pandemic disrupting the very core of organizational strategies, including talent strategy. So therefore, it's imperative to reimagine the world of future skills. Looking back these past 4 months, we know that the last quarter has tested the resilience of organizations like never before. And that has further underlined these skills. Now, with more digitization and automation, the demand for specialized skills is increasing. The expertise of the future will be a reflection of these new and advanced technologies. And as we know, the domain skills are variable and they are continually evolving. Big data, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, machine learning, these are all mainstream specialized skill sets. Now the question today, how are these skill sets evolving now and in the near future? In our conversations with HR leaders, we often see a significant emphasis on soft skills and the behavioral aspect of skills. So what could these future soft skills be? This new world of future skills will of course have unique capabilities for the new digital world. Alongside, it will also retain some skills from the old world that perhaps need to be more pronounced now. These might get renewed, keeping in view the new reality. Think critical thinking, think the strength of processes, think communication, think resilience. Human resource experts, like some of you, often say that the success of any role at work, leadership or otherwise, is incumbent upon how agile people are, It's incumbent upon how quickly they adapt to the new normal, and also on how swiftly they learn the new lessons. Will agility and curiosity remain central to the narrative? In the rule book of new skills, one of the most critical areas is that of lifelong learning. So the question now is the work journey today still the learning journey? When we think skills, we need to think about what success looks like, what success looks like in the future. How do you transition the skills of great performers today so they become the great performers of tomorrow? All this and more will be discussed today at the platform of ET HR World. The post-pandemic world is truly uncharted waters for companies. There are these bunch of skill sets up in the air, and their efficacy will be determined by how organizations define the new normal. And as we discuss the way forward through the day, I'm sure we'll get to hear innovative ideas and frameworks to navigate the new normal, with the hope that on the platform of ETHR World, our expert panelists and speakers will help pinpoint the future skill sets and challenges. Once again, I extend a very warm welcome to the eminent speakers, leaders from the HR community, and our audience. Thank you.